In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use World Cup live chat on Threads. Let's get started. Launch Threads app and look for the red notification ring around it. Host profile or tap one of the live chats featured in the pinned post at the top of the football community feed. Once inside, you can chat in real time with other fans, follow live discussions, and enjoy automatic incline match score updates as the action unfolds. Threads also lets you show support for your favorite national team by adding a team flare, which displays a flag badge next to your profile picture. If a live chat reaches its 150 participant limit, you can still join in as a spectator, react with football and trophy emojis, vote in polls, and wait for a spot to open. During matches, real-time scores automatically appear within chats and timeline posts, making it easy to stay updated without leaving the conversation. You can also use custom football-themed sticker packs that appear automatically when creating World Cup-related posts, helping you create goals, victories, and memorable moments. Whether you are supporting your national team or simply enjoying the tournament atmosphere, Threads live chat provide an interactive way to experience every World Cup match with fellow football fans. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.